Hey guys, Haz here from Shield K9. I'm with my new competition dog, Pico. And Pico is a 9-month-old working line German Shepherd. And Pico is a bit of a crazy guy right now. He's really energetic and he wants to go and he always wants to do something. Here's the problem. Pico already has some concept of sport obedience, but Pico doesn't know any kind of functional street obedience. That means he pulls me everywhere. He's like this a lot of the time. He just doesn't really have a lot of chill in his system. But I want to start bringing him into my house. Look at this. And there's nothing particularly wrong with that, but I need to teach Pico to chill. I'm going to start by teaching Pico the place command. So that's the place. I'm going to teach Pico to go on a place and to stay on a place. Because in my house, I'm not going to let him tear up the furniture or jump all over everything. I'm going to teach Pico to just relax, calm down, and be part of the family. And the great thing about functional obedience, it's very fast to teach. So I can teach this crazy guy pretty quickly how to behave himself in my house and not be a maniac and make it easier to coexist with him. All right, guys, this is 20 minutes later from the previous video. And we got the wild child Pico now on place. All right, this is going to be how he is going to be introduced to my household. I'm not going to let him run loose and do all the things that he wants to do. I'm going to have him be on a bed pretty much for the majority of the time that he's at home for the first couple weeks. And that's how he's going to learn order in the house. So again, the place command, very important part of our functional obedience training system, and I can't say enough about it. You know, if you do it right, it's very fast. This dog never had a concept of place before about 20 minutes ago, and you see the result right now.